How to fix Apple Intelligence not working in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here click on Utilities folder. Now here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, click on General. Now here click on second app option, Software Update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So after updating, go back to home screen and swipe down, open Control Center. Turn on aeroplane mode 1 to 3 times. After turn on aeroplane mode 1 to 3 times, and you will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click the power button and volume down button at the time and power off the phone. After power off, after the restarting, enter phone passcode and you will check your problem is solved, but is still not solved. So click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, click on General. Now here scroll down to End, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, reset all settings, enter phone passcode. Click on Reset all setting. It's just reset all setting, it's not remove and clean your phone memory and data. So after the restarting, go back to home screen, enter phone. So that's how you can fix Apple Intelligence not working in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.